Welcome everyone. Optimizing digital marketing channels. This is what we will be discussing. As in, what are the challenges? Challenges are about different channel, different mediums for digital marketing. Be it display, be it email, be it videos, be it search, social media, or for that even matter, even your mobile handheld devices. So, what is a consumer life? What we do about it? Now, there are basically three screens: television, computer, and mobile phone. And if you look into it, with the passage of time, things have only decreased for television, then to computers, and the importance of mobile have obviously increased with every day. Now people are accessing media on their handheld devices. In fact, they are even watching a full-fledged movie, perhaps, probably some kind of social media on mobile, perhaps some kind of news if you want to go around it from mobile, which was earlier it was available from television or from computers. But then, as with the passage of time, the three screen trap is what we are looking into it. So, can we have our eyeballs wherever the customer's eyeballs are moving from television to computers, computers to laptop? Can we also design our marketing plans accordingly? Marketed today has numerous channels. You have media from which data has been generated. Name it and you will have it. It is web, the corporate site, your own proprietary site, your own display media, where you only beat your own drums and nobody else. Social media, Islam, where everybody is accessing information, and probably that's one of those media which is best. If your product facilities are beating the drums, if I may say so, has been done by somebody else, a neutral person, and it has a catastrophic effect in terms of productivity, profitability, and probably sales. Then comes the videos, as in the Meta Cafe or YouTube. Absolutely, this is a generation which homes onto a media, YouTube media, even for 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 20 seconds, and that is what the attention span is all about in today's generation. Can we capture those attention? EDMs is loyalty programs, lead generation. Now, this is electronic digital marketing. That's a loyalty program that we need to go around it. Search is PPC, is pay per click, campaign as the case might be. And then we have different kind of mobile this WAP, wireless access protocol, SMS short messaging services, and what we are looking into it. And this is what we need to understand. And how do we process? So too much of data or too little time. The traffic of these sources are not just size but also the frequency. People are changing as on when on basis. Example: Twitter, Facebook offer data updates by minute. Search and display media is streamed by hour. Search and display medium is streamed by hours, mind you. Electronic digital marketing or data is accumulated over a period of 14 days or bi-monthly, if I may say so. So determining the optimum time horizon for campaign data to aggregate before analysis can be done. So every data that has been generated can be studied out and probably take a relevant directions or decisions according to the data that has been analyzed. You arrive to a decision point which makes some kind of sense. So the question is a month too late to act upon, or is a minute too early to act upon? That's a balance that you've got to go around here. So let us understand the solution, the role of digital marketing. Now, how does it go about it? First and foremost things people have been made aware of. They have to be educated about the availability of your product, your services, the features of your product, your services. And then probably once people are aware of, people know that about your products, can we have a brand preferences? Can we have build a brand? Can we develop a brand loyalty in step by step? First, brand preferences. Second, building a brand. Third, building brand loyalty. Then comes the create business inquiries. That's what we all about it. And ultimately, general sales. This is what we are looking for it. That was for the role of digital marketing. But probably if we think this thing, probably this is not the case anymore. What are we looking into it? We are bundling everything and trying to create something called brand data through WOM, WOM, word of mouth. That is what social media plays a impeccable role, and in fact it has a role which is beyond any doubt. Brand leader is an internet user who has the experience with the brand and share his brand experiences. It's the influencer, as the current generation has been talking around it. Now that is what we need to go around: your brand leaders, your fan followings, and can bundle everything called building of awareness, building of brand preferences, created business inquiries, and probably generating sales thereby. So, stop number one. How do we step it? It is each digital marketing has a distinct new role to play, defined by consumers and not by marketers or agencies. Consumer users read if Facebook, search, Google, mobile for completely different purposes, eBay for completely different purposes, Dell computers for completely different purposes. This is what we look into it. Push a brand message across channel through your proprietary website, through a social media, through a print media, with endless, meaningless, non-actionable data. As on when on basis, first and foremost thing is make yourself visible. That is what we look into around here. Display the Use display media, banners, innovations, videos to create brand awareness. Use search probably to redirect the consumer curiosity towards your brand. Post brand awareness. Use a mobile for sales closures and post search